Okay guys, this is Unamas again signing in YouTube. Want to teach you another tutorial and Unamas tutorial, and let's do this lesson. Is in the title of my tutorial is this. Okay, Unamas tutorial BC Sync plus Revolution Box plus TCP Slave BC Master by Republica Style Fashion is Unamas original tutorial. So as you can see, I've already opened the necessary tools to do this triple BC domination, which is I've already opened Revolution Box, BC Syncs, and this TCP BC Monster. So to do this, okay, you must open BC Syncs first. Okay. The second is you must change client to phone from BC Syncs, and the third you must phone client, which is Revolution Box, and the fourth one, Revolution Box, will automatically open. And now you must open BC Monster TCP Slave, and then change voice servers to Revolution Box of Revolution Box to localhost. You must change the voice server to Revolution Box to localhost, like this one. Okay. See localhost here, localhost, and then choose your particular room. Go to room. Step in the BC. Okay. Before you step in the BC, okay, you must check max, scroll, invert, and from 98 here, from 98, you must scroll this one to 220 here, from the middle to 20. Okay. Actually, guys, I've tested it. This has a good voice dominations, triple BC dominations, man. And here goes. You can see as I talk here, 15 out of 18. I've already clicked on talk here. Here I talk 15 out of 18. And as you can see in my BC Sync, it's connected localhost, and in my TCP BC Monster, it's connected. 4 out of 17. Same goes with the Revolution Box. And here it is. Tutorial is good. Tutorial is working 100%, and the tutorial is all about you can use BC Monster and BC Syncs in the Revolution Box. Just remember to change the BC server to localhost. Here, localhost. Okay, change the BC server to localhost. Okay, here localhost, and you must click in max, scroll, and invert, and you will have a good strong BC dominations. But guys, do take note that this is tutorial that is you may this tutorial is you can win the BC at all time. Okay. Some guys do talk shit in my forum and say this says some of my voice domination tutorial is weak. Well, you can't win it all the time. Okay, in Yahoo chat room you can't win it all the time. You may lose, sometimes you may win. That's it. So what I'm saying here is the tutorial is good, and you can use BC Monster and BC Syncs in the Revolution Box. Okay, this is original made by me again. So original made by Unamas tutorial. Revolution Box plus BC Sync plus TCP BC Monster. So guys, tutorial is good. You can do this, and I hope you do like my tutorial in YouTube video. So this is Unamas signing out in YouTube, and sayonara guys, bye. Hope you do like my YouTube tutorial. Bye guys.